Hey everybody, this video is coming to you from the World Marine Mammal Conference in Barcelona, where I've been attending this last week. Now I forgot to pack my tripod, so I'm just holding the my phone, so hopefully it's not too shaky. But what I wanted to talk about is there's a couple of talks this week where people have used occupancy modelling to look at distributions of whales, a couple of different cetacean species, and one of the things they've done is combined information from different data sources. So there's some visual data where people have done visual surveys and also some acoustic surveys as well, and they've just sort of put it into the same framework. So one thing about occupancy models is that you can combine different data types. There's a few tricks to what you have to do in terms of trying to get things onto a consistent sampling frame, and that's usually done with using a grid. Obviously you need to account for differences in effort and think a little bit carefully about things, but it can be done. So my tip for this video is that one of the advantages of occupancy modelling is that you can combine different data sources and different types of data and still make some pretty valid inferences. So until next time, see you later.